F45 started in Sydney with just one gym in 2012 and quickly became one of the fastest growing fitness franchises in the world. The brand attracted celebrity backers like investor and actor Mark Wahlberg. It had a promising debut on the New York Stock Exchange in 2021 with a $1.4 billion valuation.
The franchisees, the success that they're having, and the model. You know, people at any level of fitness can come in and do the workout.
We've been fiscally conservative since 2013, having never had an unprofitable quarter.
But the good times didn't last. Founder Adam Gilchrist has stepped down as CEO after the brand missed profit forecasts. The share price has plunged more than 90%, but the company insists it's still an Aussie success story.
We are in 66 countries around the world, 2,000 franchises and counting, but our focus is firmly on ensuring that our franchisees on the ground are adequately supported. We've recently taken steps to raise a substantial amount of capital, 130 million Aussie dollars, to ensure that we can continue to deliver on our innovation pipeline. It's something that we're very excited about.
In Australia, the F45 brand dominates listings for gym liquidations and businesses for sale. Almost 10% of its 500 franchises are on the market. Several are considering offers, while the lowest asking price is $49,000. 9 F45s have collapsed into liquidation since last July.
The company has approached its maturity in the market with a number of other players entering the market.
This industry analyst says F45 is also losing market share to budget gyms.
The rising cost of living makes it prohibitive for many customers to afford premium priced gyms, as F45's pricing currently sits on average at $60-65 per week.
This is one of many competitors muscling in on the group fitness market. Dan Bova sold his 3 F45 gyms in 2019 to start his own chain.
We were very, very grateful for the lessons we learnt, but for us it was about, creating a product that allowed us to expand, but also allowed us to innovate.
Mr. Bova has sold 30 franchises, including 2 in the US. But does he want to be as big as F45? Not exactly.
They would be more of a saturation model where the more they open, essentially the more they would earn.
Franchising law expert Jenny Buchan says in the case of F45, rapid expansion potentially increased competition among franchisees, and at risk is small business owners who bought into the brand.
So people may not look really, really carefully and critically into the model. They might say, well, they're everywhere, they must be good, and I want to be part of it.
Credit reporting firm Creditor Watch says arts and recreation, which includes gyms, is the third most at-risk sector as rates rise and people cut back on spending. And in an increasingly competitive market, only the fittest will survive.
There are substitutes for it, so people can choose to work out at home or go for a run, and that's sort of the biggest issues we have with gyms at the moment.
Adding to F45's woes, multiple US law firms say they're considering legal action on behalf of US investors over the stock price plunge.
I'm David Beckham. I'm excited to join the F45 family.
Sportsmen, including David Beckham, are suing the firm for $15 million, alleging they're owed money for promoting the brand.
We are getting on with the job. We're firmly focused on those things that are within our control.
F45, a fitness empire that some fear may have bulked up too much.